To make oven fried chicken, the first thing you want to do is cut up the chicken. A couple pieces for one person or a whole chicken for a family. Whatever, the first thing you do is cut up the chicken. Some of the pieces I take the skin off and the fat. Not all the fat, because that's where some of the flavor comes in at, but you don't want it swimming in fat. Now that the chicken's ready, let's get the coating ready. I start with breadcrumbs. And then I add some cornmeal. Then I add some cornstarch. Mix that up real good, and this is the time that you would like to add any extra spices or flavorings that you personally like on your fried chicken. Spray the baking dish well for easy cleanup. Add salt and pepper to the chicken now if you'd like. Don't forget to season both sides. Press the chicken down into the coating and make sure it sticks really well. If your chicken is dry, you could get it slightly damp, but if you get it more than that, it'll just make a big mess. Place the chicken in the pan. You can also add some seasoning at this time as well. Place it in the preheated oven. Now's the perfect time to slide in a baked potato or two. Roll up freshly washed potatoes in a piece of aluminum foil, shiny side in. Put them in the oven right alongside the chicken. There you have it, quick and easy oven fried chicken, hot and bubbly. Enjoy!